Sophie Errante. Sophie Errante, born 22 July 1971, is a French politician of La République En Marche, LREM, who has been serving as a member of the French National Assembly since the 2012 elections, representing the department of Loire-Atlantique, first as a socialist, and then from the 2017 elections as an LREM member. Political career. In 2012, Errante was the successful socialist candidate for Loire-Atlantique's 10th constituency. For the 2017 election, she moved to LREM. Following the 2017 legislative election, Errante stood as a candidate for the National Assembly's presidency. In an internal vote within the LREM parliamentary group, she lost against François de Rugy. In Parliament, Errante serves on the Finance Committee. In addition to her committee assignments, she is a member of the French delegation to the Inter-Parliamentary Union (IPU). Since 2018, she has also been representing the Parliament on the Supervisory Board of the Deposits and Consignments Fund (CDC). Since November 2017, Securel has been part of LREM's executive board under the leadership of the party's successive chairmen Christophe Castaner and Stanislas Guérini. Political positions. In July 2019, Errante voted in favor of the French ratification of the European Union's Comprehensive Economic and Trade Agreement (CETA) with Canada.